Hey everybody, we just purchased the Waterdrop Reverse Osmosis water filtration system. So we're going to unbox this unit, get it all hooked up, and go through the instructions. And if you've never hooked up one of these before, it's not that hard, but if you're uncomfortable doing it, I would suggest hiring a professional. Okay, out of the box, we have the Waterdrop RO system quick setup guide. This is a good list of items that you should check to see if you have in the box. And here is our sample connection, which we'll try to go through on getting this set up. Here's another quick installation as far as what connections you'll need to do. And on the back, we have a explanation of the display screen on the unit as well as the filter life reminder. Okay, so I already unboxed and assembled the RO faucet and actually put it right next to my original faucet, which I replaced with a new one, and also installed a soap dispenser. I also drilled the holes through the granite. Again, if you're not comfortable doing that, I suggest you hire a professional. I also spaced the two things out, mainly because this has a push option to go on and off, so I didn't want it too close and having it go on and off all the time. And next we'll go underneath the sink and show you some more. Okay, so out of the box, this is what the unit will look like. Here is the display screen, which we'll see later light up and once it starts filtering water. And here are the 3 filters that we will install later as well. So one tricky thing you will need underneath the sink is an outlet. Not too many sinks have outlets installed, so again, you might need a professional electrician to come and install an outlet. That's what I had to do, and we got an outlet installed, and that is a GFI outlet. So we've got that ready to go. Okay, so off the main water line, we've installed the feed water adapter that is gonna splice the main water line going into the sink, and then it's also gonna give us the 3/8 tube running over here into the input line. Okay, so the second 1/4 inch tubing we're gonna take off of the back here under filtered, and we're gonna run that over here. And now this is a different kind of particular case here. We've actually installed a T-line, so that is actually gonna go to my ice maker in my refrigerator, and the other one is gonna go up to the RO faucet. And the last line we're gonna take off of here is the red 1/4 inch tubing, which is the waste line. So this is gonna run back out into my waste pipe there, which will take care of the water going out of the RO system. Okay, now that we got everything hooked up, we're gonna put in our filters. Filter number 1. Filter number 2. Filter number 3, and now we'll power it on. Okay, we're gonna add some power now to get the unit up and running. And you'll see the display come alive and start to do its thing. And the decibel on this is pretty low. It's not too noisy. You hardly even notice it's on when the door is shut. Okay, so now that the system is all connected and up and running, it will proceed to flush automatically for about 5 minutes. So during that time, you want to check for any leaks and make sure that's not a problem. Once it's done flushing, we want to turn on the RO faucet and let that flush for about 30 minutes. Okay, so it's still flushing, it's almost done. As you can see on the indicator, it's blue, which means it's good. That will eventually turn yellow and kind of give you a warning of when you should probably order filters. And if it turns red, then it's definitely time to replace the filters. Okay, everything is done flushing. As you can see from the front of the unit here, we've got the display. All the 3 filters are great. Everything's blue. And we've got a TDS out of 002, which is a good number. Okay, we're going to take this a step further, and we're going to do a TDS reading on my tap water and then on the RO faucet, and we're going to see how good this is filtering my water. And you can pick one of these up anywhere for about 15 bucks. Okay, we're going to grab some tap water first, right from the sink. Do our test here, and this is set to ppm. I'll wait till that finishes, and we've got a red screen, which is not too good, and our number is 45. All right, next we're going to grab from the RO. Get our meter reading. Again, this is set to ppm. Wait till we get a number here. Green is good, and we've got a 3. Okay, so this concludes my video of the Waterdrop Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System. Hope you found it informative, as well as the water drinking test at the end. You can pick up one of these units for about $500. So if you're interested in drinking healthier water for you, yourself, and your family, your pets, I highly suggest you pick one up.